Hello, everybody. It's me, Mrs. Holbrook, and my trusty pal, Baby Echo. Let's start our warm up. Repeat after me. A apple a safe a. E ed e p e. I itch I pine I. O octopus o home o. U up u mule you rule oo. A and K ank. Ang ang. Am ham am. And we're back to the beginning. Let's do our R controls. AR car R. OR horn or. ER her IR bird UR burn Fantastic. And now for our vowel teams. The first row says A. The second row says E. The third row says OI. Let's do it. AI bait A. AY play A. EE jeep E. EA eat E. EY key E. OI coin oi. OY boy oi. Great job. And the last part of our warm-up for today is going to be some trick word work. Let's see if you can beat the teacher. Try to say the trick word before me. Any. Many. How. Now. Down. Out. About. Hour. Friend. Other. Another. None. Nothing. How did you do? Did you beat me? Good for you. All right. Next, my friends, I am going to show you some words that we are going to work on reading together. Let's bring them right up. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Words, where are you? On the words. Check it out. What do you notice about all of these words? What kind of things do you see? What kinds of patterns? Yeah, almost all of them have suffix endings. Most of them have S. One of them has ED. Can you find the one word that does not have a suffix ending? What does it say? Here it is. Next. Good. Okay. Oh, that's right. A lot of these words are vowel consonant E. So when we read these words, we're going to read the base word and then the whole word. That'll help us focus in on the syllable type to know the vowel sound. Let's do it together. Read it with me. Grape, grapes. Globe, globes. Mule, mules. Home, homes. Wipe, wipes. Note, notes. Ride, rides. Shape, shapes. Strike, strikes. Ape, apes. Cake, cakes. And now look, these are not vowel consonant E. It's got a glued sound in it, so it's a short vowel. Plant, plants. Wink, winks. Next. Blend, blended. Great reading. Let's look at some of these words. Let's look at this word right here. Can you show me how you would tap it out? Come on, show me. Yeah, you got to go back to your finger because there's so many sounds. There's three blends. St, I, strikes. How about this one? How would you tap out this word? Show me. Tap out the base word home. Huh, om. Three taps. And what's the silent letter in homes? Yeah, E is silent. That's why we don't tap for it. Very good. Okay, I want you to read this whole list now all by yourself. Do base word, whole word. Pause the screen right here until you've read all of them. Okay, if you read them all, good for you. Which word, find me the word that's a type of monkey. That's right, there it is, apes. Which word would be something that grows outside usually, or it could be inside. It needs soil, sunlight, and water. Plants, very good. Okay, let's do one more. Which word is a fruit? There it is, grapes, very good. Okay, everybody, we're gonna switch over now and do a dictation. I want you to get your paper. We're gonna do a paper dictation today, and something to write with. Okay, here's what that paper looks like if you have it. If you don't, use any paper, use a whiteboard, it's okay. Okay, let's start with three sounds. Repeat after me. U. What makes the long U sound? Write it at number 1. And remember, pause if you need more time. Number 2. Ooh. What makes the long ooh, the ooh sound? Number 3. I. What makes the long I sound? When you finish all of these, you can unpause and check with me. U dash E says long U. U consonant E says ooh. And I consonant E says long I. Okay, get ready for your next word. It is what we call a review word because it might have been from an earlier unit. Okay, repeat after me. Stump. Look at that tree stump. Tap out stump and write it. Okay, on stump, can you please mark the blends and the vowel type? And then check it to mine. There's a blend in the beginning and a blend at the end. It's a closed syllable, so it's a short U. Stump. Mark it up and make it look just like mine. Pause. Pause it if you need to do it still. Okay, let's do another review word. Repeat after me. Crossing. She was crossing the road. What's the base word? Cross. Tap out cross. K, s. Spell it. Write it. Write cross and then make sure it says cross. You should have a bonus letter. Star that bonus letter. Then add the suffix ending. Make it say crossing. Scoop the base word, circle the suffix, and mark up what kind of syllable the base word is. Also mark the blend. Pause if you need more time or check here if you want to check mine. Crossing. Okay, let's go down and do some current words now. Repeat after me. Poles. The skier holds on to his poles. What's the base word? Pole. Tap it out. P-o-l. Spell it and write it. Okay, scoop or underline the base word. Circle the suffix. What kind of syllable is pole? That's right. It's vowel consonant E. So we should cross off the E, it's silent, and put the macron over the O. Remember, these have macrons because it's a long vowel. These have breaths, they're short. Okay, one more. Repeat after me. Shapes. What's the base word? Shape. Tap it, spell it, write it. Okay, if you finished writing shapes, can you underline the base word, circle the suffix? Good. And now let's mark up what kind of syllable this is. Vowel consonant E. Cross off that E, long A. And you should have digraph SH to underline. Great marking. Let's read these words. Stump, crossing, holes, shapes. Your turn, you read them. Nice. Okay, 2 trick words to do. The first one I want you to write is none. If you need to look in your notebook, look under the letter that says The rest is a little tricky, the next part. Pause until you do none. And then the second one I want you to do is down. D-d-d-d-d, like a drum. Down. None is N-O-N-E, and down, D-O-W-N. None, down. And the last part of our work today is a sentence. Repeat after me. Dad likes hunting for junk to sell. Let's count how many words. Dad likes hunting for junk to sell. 7 words, okay? Let's get ready to write this and see how many trick words we have. Dad likes hunting for, that's a trick word, junk to sell, period at the end. To is a trick word. Okay, only 2 trick words on this. Why don't you pause on this screen to help you write your whole sentence? You're back. Did you write it all? I'll say it one more time. Dad likes hunting for junk to sell. Okay, if you're back, check. Did you start with uppercase and end with a stop sign, a period? Okay, now check your trick words. 4 and 2. You can always look those up in your notebook. Okay, now tap out the tappable words and check them. Tap out dad. Does it say dad with a capital D? D, a, d. Check that one. The next one was likes. The base word is like. So you should write like and then add the S. Then make it say likes. Okay, the next word was hunting. The base word would be hunt, h, t, and then add the ing ending for hunting. What do we have so far? Dad likes hunting for, we need to do junk. J, unk. I hear a glued sound, unk. And then sell, s, ul. Oh, looks like it needs a bonus L because it's right after the vowel at the end. All right, we did it. Let's read our sentence. Dad likes hunting for junk to sell. Let's scoop it. Dad likes hunting for junk to sell. Nice job, guys. You can stop here, read over everything you wrote, and then put it away for the day. I'll leave mine up in case you still need to fix anything. Great job.